I was wondering if there was something wrong with me. I always thought only old people have that problem. Because of the menopause and all, naturally my boyfriend noticed it and he started to think that it was his fault. But of course it wasn't. Finally, I worked up the courage to talk about it with my best friend. She said there was something that worked wonders against it. Pjur Med Repair Glide. Of course, I was a bit skeptical at first, but then we tried it. And now the sex with my boyfriend is